Good afternoon. Overcast skies here across the area, and that does look like it's going to stick around for most of the day today. A chance, though, that we could see at least a few breaks in those clouds later on this afternoon. The wind that we're seeing outside right now, though, that does look like it's going to stick around here for most of the day today. By 3 o'clock, winds coming in out of the south, helping temperatures warm close to 54 degrees. We are going to see some pretty windy conditions, gusting as high as about 30 to 35 miles per hour. I think some widespread drizzle building in after about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening, that turning into a chance for some rain here overnight tonight. A chance for a few scattered showers by 9 o'clock. A better chance to see that rain become just a little bit more widespread here as we head towards about midnight tonight. So we are going to see cloud cover stick around for most of the day today. I think this model undercutting some of that cloud cover just a little bit. But by 9 o'clock, looking off towards our north and off towards our west, we're going to start keeping an eye on a cold front. That's going to move through. By midnight, you can see some rain showers building into the area. That looks to stick around for most of the overnight hours. And by about 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see some of that rain turn into some sleet or some freezing rain, especially in areas just off towards our north and just off towards our west. So Maryville, Falls City, Hiawatha, looking to see that transition from rain into a wintry mix of precipitation here just a little bit earlier. Here in St. Joseph, I think we could start to see that as early as about 6, and we'll continue to see those chances for some sleet and some freezing rain here through most of the morning commute tomorrow. But eventually, we are going to see that entire system change. So it's not just frozen precipitation. We are going to start to see some snow. Exactly when that happens completely depends on how fast this system moves through. But it's looking like by about 9 o'clock, we should start to see some snowflakes in our area, a chance for a few snow showers here through about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then sunshine actually builds back into the day for Friday. We are going to see some pretty chilly conditions, though, on the backside of this cold front. As for snowfall totals, by 9 o'clock in the morning, not too much falling, but I think by 9 o'clock in the morning, we are going to see some ice and some sleet, especially on roadways. So definitely something to keep in mind for your morning commute early tomorrow morning. You can see at 9 o'clock in Hiawatha, they're sitting closer to an inch, and it does look like areas to our north and off towards our west could see just a little bit more snow. So something to keep in mind if this system does move just a little bit further south. We could see some more snow here in St. Joseph. Maryville, I think, could see up to about an inch. St. Joseph, right now, it looks like we'll see closer to a trace to a ½ an inch. But if we do see that system move just a little bit, we could see closer to 2 inches. So a system to keep a very close eye on here over the next couple of hours. All of it bringing in much colder air here for the day tomorrow. We'll see highs close to just 26 degrees, and those temperatures just look to fall here over the course of the day on Thursday. And the cold air sticks around as we head towards the weekend. 16 degrees for a high temperature on Saturday with a chance for some snow early in the morning, and then 20s build back in on Sunday before teens look to move back into the forecast for the beginning of next week. Monday, we'll see high temperatures close to about 16 degrees, very similar on Tuesday with highs close to 18.